So since my last post, which is the BFI trip, we've recently gone on to another BFI trip, which is the British Film Institute, and that was in South Bank. The first time we went, it was about our coursework, which is the 2-minute film opening. And then the second time we went, it was about our actual exam, so the essay. It was really informal, but the second time we went, I felt like our teachers already gave us all the information we needed to know, to be honest. Like all the words that came up in the second trip, such as synergy and media convergence and all that. It's good that we learnt them in lessons, otherwise I'd honestly be lost. But what else have we done? We've also did spelling tests and like term tests in lesson now, so that we can get to grips on all these words needed for the actual exam. We are now doing practices for our 2-minute video, and in my group we are setting dates now so that we can get on to do this, otherwise we don't want to be left behind. And since our BFI trip, the first one, our group has changed the plot a little bit, because we felt like we want to open up to as much audience as possible. So we changed it to Lauren haunting a school rather than Lauren being at home and haunting a house, because what we wanted to do initially is have a piano, because you know how pianos are like very haunting. We wanted to use that but into a house, and then we thought, well, we can't really get a piano into a house, so what can we do? What advantages do we have? And so we thought about it, and there's a piano in our school hall, so we're probably going to use that. And I think we might put it on the stage with spotlights hitting on Lauren, and that'll be like our opening. And then there'll be like shots in between. I don't really know what you call it. I don't know if it's parallel editing, but it's of Lauren playing the piano smoothly and lightly, and then you've got for example, Abby's dad tying up his shoes, and also like buttoning up his shirt. But when he does this, we're going to like probably reverse it, so when he buttons up his shirt, he's going to start from the top, and it looks like he's buttoning it up, but it looks weird in a way. That's what we want to come across as it's like very horror, and it's just different. No one's actually done that before. But Miss Foster helped us with that part, because she told us about this movie, I forgot what it was called. I will find out and get back to you. But it was of a sea, and it's actually been reversed, and it looks really good, and we thought, oh okay, we might use that. It was really inspiring to us, so yeah, I will keep you updated.